Hello students, good afternoon. Today we are going to learn chapter 4 Heidi. It's a story about Heidi, right? So we learn in this chapter the story of Heidi. First we learn the hard words, right? Hard words or meaning of this. First rose. Rose means got up. Follow. Follow means went after someone. Fireplace, a place where a fire is lit to keep the house warm, right? Stockings, long socks. Loft, a place in the house for storing things. Hay means dry grass. Valley means grassy place between two hills, like this, right? It's called valley, right? Now we learn the chapter for Heidi. The story of Heidi. I want to see your herd, said Heidi. Come along then, said her grandfather. He rose and started to go into the herd. Right? So here Heidi said her grandfather that he want to see his herd. So grandfather says come. He rose. Rose means wake up, right? And start to go into the hut, and then he went inside the hut to Heidi, right? The old man opened the door and Heidi followed him into the room. Follow means हमने पढ़ा था ना अभी. Follow means went after someone, right? So the old man opened the door. So her grandfather opened the door and Heidi follow him into the room. In it were a table and a chair. In one corner was the grandfather's bed. In another the fireplace where hung the large kettle. On the other side in the wall was a large cupboard, right? So here in this paragraph, what is the thing inside the room? So it's described here. First, in it were a table, a chair. In one corner was the grandfather's bed, right? In one corner grandfather's bed, and in another the fireplace. Fireplace means the fire to lit up the house warm. So fireplace where hung the large kettle, where large kettle was hung also, right? You can see picture, right? You can see also in the picture. On the other side in the wall was a large cupboard, right? The hung his clothes, and on one shelf lay his shirt, stockings and sheets. On another were plates, cups and glasses, and on the topmost a loaf of bread, meat and cheese, right? Now there hung his clothes. Now in the cupboard we can see hung his clothes, right? On one shelf lays his shirt. Stocking means long socks, right? So and sheets. You can see also sheets. On another were plates, right? Plates, cups and glasses. And on the topmost of a loaf of bread, right? You can see meat and cheese in the picture. So here the descriptions of the room ki how room looks. Where shall I sleep, grandfather? Wherever you like, he replied. Then Heidi asked her grandfather that where shall I sleep? So grandfather replied that wherever you like, right? This was quite a new for Heidi. Or all these things are new for Heidi. She looked into every corner to see which would be the best place for her to sleep. And then he go into room and started to see where the best place for her to sleep. In the corner by her grandfather's bed stood a little ladder which led to the loft. And her grandfather's bed stood a little ladder. मीन्स कि ग्रैंडफादर के बेड के पास एक लिटिल लेडर मीन्स निसरनी, राइट? तो लेडर थी वहाँ. विच लेड टू द लॉफ्ट, वहाँ पे क्या रखा था? a place in the house for storing things, right? So it's called loft. So Heidi climbed this. So Heidi climbed on the ladder. There lay some fresh, sweet smelling hay. Hay means dry grass. And through a round window one could look far down into the valley below, right? So Heidi climbed on ladder and there lay some fresh sweet smelling hay. So वहाँ से उसने स्वीट स्मेलिंग है मीन्स कि ड्राई घास की स्मेल स्वीट आ रही थी. एंड थ्रू ए राउंड विंडो एंड विंडो के बाहर उसने देखा कि एक ब्यूटीफुल वैली वहाँ से उसको दिखाई दे रही थी. I will sleep here, Heidi called down. It's a lovely. Just come and see how lovely it is here, grandfather. And then Heidi decided to sleep this place because he found very beautiful pictures outside from the window. So he decided to sleep here and he called her grandfather that he will sleep here because it's a lovely. Just came, and he also says her grandfather that just come and see how lovely it is here, grandfather, right? So now it's the story of Heidi and his it's the story of Heidi and her grandfather, and she went to hut of her grandfather. So and how is hut look, how is room described here. So it's the story of Heidi and her grandfather. Thank you.